There is a city that many people frequently refer to as the Moscow of the East, but in my view, I prefer to call it the unique ice city, Harbin. At this moment, traversing a century of snowstorms, the St. Sophia Cathedral stands before me, a silent storyteller of the past.
Hello, I am currently visiting the magnificent Harbin Ice and Snow World and having a great time. These two are the mascots of the Yadong Association. This one is Ding 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 Ding. Oh, what an impressively large and magnificent sculpture is here.
Walking through Harbin Ice and Snow World feels like being in Alice's Wonderland. Truly breathtaking. Bye-bye.
I am currently in Harbin, primarily visiting the major 6 sites. This area is often referred to as the Eastern Louvre, and it may well be the closest I have ever been to experiencing the grandeur of the Louvre.
If you describe the interior of Har-6 City as resplendent, it truly surpasses even that. On Sun Island, you can see a variety of snow sculptures that are truly awe-inspiring. When you enter the Harbin Grand Theater, you will feel the sparks of science fiction and art emanating from the architecture. The festive atmosphere of the century-old Central Avenue will surely make you forget that it is a cold winter night. I have already bought enough items. And when you step into Harbin, I admit that in that moment it feels like traveling to the magical world of Hogwarts. Harbin experiences undeniably cold winters, yet every single detail within the city remains exceptionally hot and vibrant. Such is the essence of Penang Harbin.